Dear students, Salam Alaikum. Today we shall do experiment number 6. It is the Newton's second law of motion. See, this experiment is about two connected masses which you can see in this diagram. On one mass is lying on the table and one mass is hanging. The hanging mass we are going to call M2 and the mass on the table we are going to call M1. Name is not important, just remember the formulas. Now we do not take the mass of the string into account. We believe it to be very light and then we ignore the friction on the table. In order to do so, we need a separate apparatus which is called as the dynamical cart apparatus. The blue is the cart, the empty cart is there. This yellow is the scale. We don't have to use this scale. This scale, yellow scale in the cart is sufficient. This is your stopwatch and this is the pulley and these are the hanging masses. Now first let us look at the problem. Now this problem will have all the calculations which you need for doing this experiment. Let me read the problem for you. The cart has a mass of 200 gram. A mass of 300 gram is added to the cart. The cart with the added mass is released from rest. The measured time for the cart and the added masses to travel a distance of 70 centimeters is 1.87 seconds. If the hanging mass is 20 grams, calculate what? The first thing is you have to calculate the net force. An is the acceleration and F net is the full force. Now the acceleration of the system. See the masses on the table, the cart are at rest. When we release them, they start moving. So there is some acceleration involved and that acceleration is AE. There are two ways to calculate the acceleration, AN and AE. In part 1 we do AN and in part 2 we do AE. Then we compare the two results and calculate the percentage error. Now we have to use kilograms in all the calculations and the value of G is 9.8 meters per second square. Do not use 10, use 9.8. Now the hanging mass is M2 which is 20 grams. Now 20 grams you have to divide by 1000 to get kilograms, 0.02 kilograms. Now the net force comes from the hanging mass, not from the sitting mass on the table. So the net force is M2G which is 0.02 kilograms into 9.8 meters per second square. Multiply these two numbers, you will get 0.196. And what's the unit for force? Newton. So write capital N. Now the total mass is the mass of the cart 200 gram, 300 gram is added, total 500 gram. Again divide by 1000, you will get 0.5 kg, 0.5 kg. Now calculate the acceleration from the masses. An equal to m2 divided by m1 plus m2. So into g. This g is 9.8, not the grams. Now 0.02 divided by 0. Plus 0.5 plus 0.2 into the acceleration due to gravity 9.8 meters per second square. Do this calculation, you will get 0.377 meters per second square. Now the distance d is 70 centimeters given in the question. Divide by 100, you will get 0.7 meters. The time is 1.87 seconds. This is small time. Now calculate the acceleration from the distance and the time using the formula AE equal to 2d by t square. 2 into 0.7 divided by 1.7 square, you will get 0.4 meters per second square. Now in your experiment you are going to fix the distance and see the time by varying the masses. The mass is on the table, not the hanging mass. So the percentage error is with respect to AN. We believe AN to be the correct. So AN minus AE divided by AN, we take the absolute value, the mutlaq, into 100%, we get 6% error. The error will be about 5 to 10, 15% in this experiment. It cannot be very small. So now let's look at the experiment. Now the aim of this experiment is to calculate AE. E means experiment, AN means Newton. So you calculate AN just like your part 1, AE like part 2, and the percentage error like part 3. Now the aim of this experiment is to use the dynamical cart and see how the two results compare, AN and AE. Now and calculate the percentage error. Now what is the apparatus which you are going to need? The dynamical cart, pulley and the pulley clamp, mass set, stopwatch, string, paper clips, block and meter scale. Please use the meter part of the scale, do not use inches. Now for the diagram, see figure 1 and figure 2 on page 1. Now we need three formulae: D equal to half AM T average square, and this formula you can convert. The first formula you will get AM, which is same as AE. This M should be E. It is E, not M. Then AE equal to 2D by T square average. The first and the second formula are same. AN equal to F net divided by total mass, which is M2 divided by M2 divided by M total. How much is M total? M total is M1 plus M2. How much is M1? M1 is mass of the cart plus the mass which you put on the top of the cart. So you are going to put, the green is the cart, in experiment it is blue in color. You add some masses to the cart. Now from the theory we get two formulas: M2 divided by M total into G for AN, and for AE it is not AM, we are going to use AE. E for experiment, it is 2D divided by T square average. Now please see this video in YouTube, which has all the details in Arabic. Now we are going to fix the distance for about 80 centimeters to 90 centimeters. In the question, in the problem, it was 70 centimeters. Hanging mass we are going to fix at 20 gram, because if you put a big hanging mass, the acceleration is very high, things will fall and break. So for experimental convenience, we are going to put a hanging mass, the M2 equal to 20 grams. The mass of the empty cart is 250 grams. In the problem it was different, here it is 250 grams. Now you add one by one different masses to the cart and measure the time. You are only going to measure the time and the masses. So do not make any mistake in counting the masses, and do not make any mistake in the stopwatch. Now what are the observations? The cart has a mass of 250 gram, which is 0.25 kilograms. The hanging mass is fixed 20 grams, which is 0.02 kilogram. Fix the distance. In this data we have fixed it as 89 centimeters, which is equal to 0.89 meters. You can fix it differently if you so wish. And what's the tool? First, to do the experiment with empty cart, add 20 grams. There is no mass in the first case. 250 plus 0 plus 20 equal to 270. 20 is the hanging mass, 250 is the mass of the cart, which is empty. Now 1.66 seconds is the first trial. In experiment we have to repeat it, so we are going to repeat it 5 times. 1.66, 1.63, 1.62, 1.62, 1.62. You take the average, you will get it as 1.63 seconds. Calculate the square of 1.63, you will get 2.66. Now how much is the acceleration? Acceleration is 2d divided by t square. 2d divided by t square. This is the formula here. Calculate AN. AE. AE is 2d by t square. Look at the first and second formula. AN is the third formula. Now calculate the percentage error the way you had done it in the problem. That's done. Now the calculations are very similar to the experiment. Now what you have to do is go through the video, go through this video and the video of your lab teacher. Do these three calculations, complete these calculations from this data and submit it to me. Now the calculations are very similar. There is no graph. Now the percentage error will be something like 7.5% here. It will be some similar number here. Now just do the calculations and see. It will not be whatever you get, you submit it. Now if you want to read more, go to these three websites, two PASCO websites and one other website, read about it. Now we have finished 6 experiments. You have to submit me 6 reports. 6 one-page report for the theory. Theory is only 1 page. Submit it by email. Do not submit it on Moodle. The last date of all the reports is Thursday, 7th May 2020. Office will not take any late reports. 2 teachers are going to check the reports. Mail it to me. I'll contact the other teachers. So 1 page theory and your complete report. You can write it by hand and the complete report, take pictures of your graph and other things and submit it to me. For 1 page, you have to type it in the paper which I sent it to by email in the beginning of the semester. Last date for submitting all 6 reports is 7th May 2020. Please do not delay it. Marks will be cut. This is the rule of the university. I cannot help you in this. I can only help you in teaching. If you have any questions, ask me in the class and ask me about your reports in the lab class. Don't send separate emails. I will only talk about lab reports in the class during the class. Thank you very much. Inshallah, it will be all fine. Assalamu alaikum.